Hi guys, this is Dr. P. Today we want to continue with our lesson about vectors and to learn how to calculate the direction of a vector. But first, let's remember you our exercise. I have a vector u of coordinates 3 and 4. These are also called horizontal component of the vector u and vertical component of the vector v. Do you remember we calculated before the hypotenuse, which is the magnitude of the vector, and if you remember, the answer was 5 for the magnitude. But our goal today is to find the second key feature of the vector, direction. What is direction? Direction means the measure of the angle that the vector made with the positive sense of x-axis. And don't forget, we measure this angle and we count this angle in the trigonometric sense, I mean counterclockwise. Let's label this angle. This is our angle. Let's see angle theta. How do we calculate the angle theta? If you look in the triangle, you can apply any trigonometric ratio. I will apply tangent by example. Tangent of the angle is opposite leg that is in front over and divided by the adjacent leg that is 3. So let's write this here. So tan of the angle theta equals with opposite 4 over 3. How do we find the angle? So of course the angle will be the inverse of tangent. We should apply the inverse function for tangent. Tangent at -1 of 4 over 3, and we should check that this angle should be measured counterclockwise. This is the sense that is counterclockwise. This is the sense counterclockwise around the circle, if you imagine the unit circle. Of course, our angle is measured in this direction. It's positive. It's in the first quadrant. So when you apply tangent of -1, your answer will be in the first quadrant. Let's use now the Desmo scientific calculator. So you have on function the inverse of tangent. So tangent of 4 divided by 3, and you have the answer is in degrees, or you can have the answer in radians, depends what is required. Let's suppose that our answer is required in degrees and to be approximated to the nearest hundredth of degrees. So that means that you should consider only two decimals. If we look here, two decimals are 1 and 3, and the next decimal is a 0. So my angle will be approximately 53.13 degrees. And this is an approximation to the nearest hundred of degrees. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope that you understood how to determine the direction of an angle. Have a great day.